In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the product URL in Shopify, and trust me, it's simpler than you might think. Whether you're looking to improve your store's search engine optimization or just want a cleaner URL structure, customizing your product URLs can make a big difference. Let's start by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, you should see a menu on the left side of the screen. Here, look for and click on the Products option. This will bring up a list of all the products currently in your store. You'll notice checkboxes beside each product name on this list. Now, if you wish to change the URL for multiple products, you can easily do so by selecting the checkboxes for the specific products you're targeting. Selecting multiple products will save you time and effort as you won't need to edit each product individually. After selecting the necessary products, you'll want to look towards the top of the product list. There, you'll find an option labeled Bulk Edit. Click on that, and you'll be whisked away to the bulk edit mode. This is a powerful tool in Shopify that allows for multi-product adjustments in a streamlined way. It opens up a kind of spreadsheet view of your products, making it easier to manage different attributes across them. Now, focus your attention on the top right corner of this bulk editor. You'll see an option called Columns. Go ahead and click on it. This will trigger a drop-down menu where you have the choice to enable or disable various columns to tailor your editing interface to your needs. For our purpose today, ensure that you enable the URL handle column from this list. With this column visible, you'll now be able to see the current URL handles for each of the products you selected earlier. The URL handle is essentially the specific string of text that comes after your domain and indicates the product page. By editing this, you can customize the URL of each product according to your needs. Simply click on an individual URL handle, and you'll be able to type in the changes. Keep in mind that it's generally a good idea to keep these handles concise and relevant to the product to aid in SEO and user experience. And remember, after changing the handles, it's crucial to double-check that your new URLs work correctly by testing them out. With these steps followed, you will have successfully changed the product URLs in Shopify. It's a straightforward process, but taking the time to tweak these small details can significantly impact your online store's performance. Happy editing, and I hope this guide makes managing your Shopify store just a little bit easier.